Yes, sir.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, bro?
All right.
Appreciate it.
There you go.
Thank you. YouTube, Darktanman back at it again, today with more content. As you can tell, the background is a little bit different today. That's because we're going to unbox a new bike that I just purchased. Well, not just purchased, I purchased bike back in May, and I'm just now getting it here on August 8th. So, you know, the hype is real, and I've been waiting for a very long time, and I'm really ecstatic to do this video today. And I was super hyped when I saw the FedEx man pull up this morning. He pulled up earlier than I anticipated, which was excellent. So shout outs to him. The hype is super real for this bike. You know, it's a bike that I did research on, saw a lot of positive feedback on it. So I was like, hey, I want to get this bike. In order for me to get this bike, what I did was I sold the previous bike that I had. And if you watch the videos early on about my first fixie experience, I sold that bike just to get this bike. Also bought a bike from someone else and revamped that and sold that to somebody else. So obviously it's been a grind to get this bike, and this wait is well worth it. So I wish I could have got it earlier, but you know, COVID just messed everything up for everybody, and everybody and their uncle just decided to buy every single bike they could find on the internet or even in stores. And this was one of the most popular bikes, and if you go on the website now, it's still sold out. So I'm really pumped about this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Like the video if you enjoyed it, or if you even like the bike. Likes go a long way, and I do appreciate all positive and negative feedback. So, without further ado, let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Yeah. All right, we probably gonna cut that out, but all right. Enjoy unboxing Aventon Cordoba desert bike. Fixed gear, baby.